Today we will set up Prometheus, Grafana and node exporter. What is node exporter? Node exporter is used to extract the metrics from the Linux machines. Okay, it will get the metrics from the Linux machines. Suppose one Linux machine is running on AWS instance. I want the metrics of the Linux machine. So then we will install the node exporter on the Linux machine. So Linux machine will extract the metrics of the instance like CPU, RAM, disk and network and all the metrics it will extract, and it will that metrics will be sent to the Prometheus. Prometheus will be configured in the Grafana dashboard. Grafana dashboard means Grafana it is a visualization tool. So all the metrics we can visualize on the Grafana dashboard. Let's do practically. You can understand very clearly. Let me launch instance. We require 3 instances for this setup. Let me launch first one instance. I'm writing as Prometheus. Let me take Amazon Linux 2. And keep here. I have already keep here. Let me select DevOps learners and launch instance. Okay, view all instances. Let me refresh it. Refresh it. Okay, it's now. Let me click here Prometheus, copy the public IP, go to mobile system software, let me open the mobile system software once again. Okay, click on sessions, SSH, paste the public IP here, EC2-user, advanced settings, use private key. My key is DevOps learners, this one. Open, click on OK, click on accept. Okay, fine. Let me go to the document once. Prometheus, create user for Prometheus. Let me execute the commands one by one. Copy this one, paste it. It will create the user ID. Prometheus user ID it will create. Then we create Prometheus directory in /etc path. We click one more directory, Prometheus in the varlib path. Okay, next we need to give the we need to change the ownership for that particular path. Change ownership to Prometheus. Okay, done. Next, cd/temp. Let me go to the cd/temp. Next, we need to download the Prometheus software. Actually, this particular software will be available in prometheus.io. Let me show you. Go to browser, click here Prometheus.io. See here, if you click on download, you can download the Prometheus software from here. Here it is there. See here, Linux OS. This is for Windows OS. You can click on copy link address. After that, you can use the command wget command. Let me give wget command and paste the URL which we copied from there. Enter. Now it will download the package. Check with ls-l. We have to extract this package tar-xvzf. Give the package name here. It will extract the Prometheus package. Okay, give ls-l. See, Prometheus got extracted. This one, cd Prometheus. Go into Prometheus. Okay, next ls-l. Okay, next let's go to the document once again. We have done the above steps. So next, move the configuration file and set the ownership to Prometheus user. Okay, let us first move the configuration file console to this particular path /etc/Prometheus. Okay, console will be moved right now. Okay, fine, it moved. Next, we will move one more file Prometheus.yaml to the same path. Okay, next we are changing the ownership of that path to Prometheus again recursively. Next move the binary and set the ownership. Binary means right now we are moving which one? Prometheus. This particular folder we are moving to which path? /user/local/bin. Okay, let me copy properly. Done, right? Next, now give the ownership for this path. Prometheus ownership. Okay, done. Now give ls-l. See, all the files we moved to respective paths. Okay, next we have to create the Prometheus service. Create the Prometheus service file using the below commands. So for creating the service, we have to create this file prometheus.service. Copy and paste here. Done. Now copy these particular details, copy it and paste. Okay, escape :wq, save and quit. After that, we have to execute this command to reload the system ID. Okay, copy it and paste. Next, enable the Prometheus service. Okay, done. Next, start the Prometheus service using the start command. Okay, fine. Next, now we have to, the Prometheus will run on the port number 9090. So we have to open the port number in the AWS security group. Let me go to the AWS security group once. Go here. So we are installing the Prometheus here and on this particular submission. So we have to open the 9090 port number. So go to security and click on security groups. Then click edit inbound rules. The port number is add role and give the port number here custom TCP. 9090 is the port number of Prometheus. Click from anywhere IPv4. It can be accessible from anywhere. Click save rules. Okay, let me go to EC2 instance again. Click on this EC2 instance, then click on Prometheus, copy the port number, copy the IP address, public IP, give here colon 9090. Okay, you can give on the browser IPN colon 9090. It will open the, this is the home page of the Prometheus. Okay, fine. This is the Prometheus targets. These are the Prometheus targets. Okay, you have to go to status and targets for seeing the targets. Right now Prometheus is running, so it's showing us up, state is up. Okay, now next step is, next we go to document once again, so it's done, right? Next we will install the node exporter. Okay, for installing node exporter we will take one more machine, one more instance. Again go to instance, again we will take one new instance, launch one new instance for installing the node exporter. Click on launch instance, node exporter, Amazon Linux 2, next click the key pair, DevOps License, click on launch instance, okay, next view all instances. Yes, node exporter also came to running state. Click on node exporter and copy the public IP, then go to mobile external. Let me rename this as Prometheus to avoid the confusion. This is the Prometheus. Okay, then let us click on sessions, SSH, with the public IP here, EC2-user, SSH settings, use private key, my key is DevOps learners, open, click on OK, accept. Okay, let me rename this one as node exporter. Click on OK. Let's go to document first. So we will create one user for node exporter using this command. Okay, next we can download the node exporter like from the Prometheus.io. I have shown you now. Let me show you once again. Go to browser and click here Prometheus.io, click on download. You can find all the exporters will be here. Node exporter, click on node exporter once. See, node exporter for Linux we require, so we have to click this one. This node exporter will be Using this node exporter, we can get the metrics of the Linux machine. Okay, so copy link address. Now wget, paste the URL here, click enter, give ls command. See, node exporter got downloaded, node exporter package got downloaded. Let me extract it using tar command, tar hyphen xvzw. Sorry, I have given something wrong. Now copy this one, paste here. Okay, give ls icon l. Now it got extracted. Go into this one, cd, enter. Let's go to the document once. Okay, we finished till here. Let us start from here again. We are copying the node exporter. Okay, so what are the files inside the node exporter? We have to check it. ls icon l. See here, node exporter is there. We will copy that node exporter to usr local bin. To this path we are copying using this command, copy command. Copy, paste. So file got copied to usr local bin. Which one? This node exporter got copied to usr local bin. Next one, we are giving the ownership node exporter for the same path. Copy paste it, enter. Okay, now you have to give the permission 755 for the same path again. Copy, paste, enter. Okay, fine. Next we have to create the node exporter service. Okay, so execute this command. Okay, next open the file node_exporter.service. We will create the service. Okay, enter. Insert mode, copy this complete data and paste here. Okay, escape, :wq, save and quit. Next, what is there? We have to execute the command systemctl daemon reload. Okay, next copy this command. We are enabling the node exporter right now. Okay, enable. Next we are starting the node exporter. Okay, started. Let me check the status of the node exporter now. Copy it and paste it. Okay, so node exporter is running right now. Okay, we have done the Prometheus, and also let me check the status of the Prometheus also. I have not checked earlier. Status. See, Prometheus service is also running right now. It is showing active, and we just now installed and we have started the node exporter, and node exporter service is also active and running. So next one is we need to install the Grafana, right? So let me go to AWS again. Once again I am closing this window and go to AWS, click on launch instance. Now Grafana, Amazon Linux 2 I am selecting. Scroll down, select the key pair DevOps learners. If you don't have, you can create your own key pair. If you don't have, you can create your own key pair using create new key pair option. So I am launching the instance. View all instances. Okay. Let me refresh it. Instance state is still running, pending. Refreshing it. Now Grafana instance state is running state. Click on Grafana. Copy the public IP here. Go to mobile extension. Click on sessions. SSH. Give the public IP here. EC2-user. Advanced SSH settings. Use private key. And DevOps learners is my key. Let me select that one. Click on open. Click on OK. Click on accept. Okay. Let me go to the document once, guys. Next we are starting Grafana, right? Okay. Let me execute this command first. We install right now Prometheus and Node exporter. Right now we are starting installing the Grafana. After this we will do the configurations. Okay. So let me starting the first command sudo yum updating the packages. Enter. Okay, next install the dependencies here. Copy, paste it. Okay. It's done. Next, we need to enable the Grafana server right now. It's enabled. Service is enabled. Let me start the Grafana server. It's done, guys. Let me Grafana server will run on the port number 3000. Let me open the 3000 in the AWS security group. Okay. Go to AWS and click on security group. Security. Click on security groups. Click on edit inbound rules. Add rule. Port number, Grafana port number is 3000. Select all zeros. It can be accessible from anywhere. Save rules. Okay. Go to EC2. Then go to that instance, Grafana server instance, and copy the public IP. Copy. Let me open the IP here. Colon 3000. Enter. Okay. Let us log in with the default username and password. Default username is admin. Password is also admin. click on login. Okay, I don't want to change any passwords, so I am skipping it for now. Skip. This is the home page of the Grafana. Okay guys, so we will, right now we have installed Prometheus. Next I installed node exporter, and last I installed Grafana, and I log in into the Grafana dashboard. Okay, so let me go to this machine. So here in this instance I installed node exporter, right? So this node exporter will extract the metrics of this machine. We want all the metrics of this machine, and it will be forwarded to the Prometheus, and Prometheus will be configured with the Grafana, right? Let me rename this one first, Grafana. Okay, so we need to configure this machine in Prometheus.yaml file. Okay, so the YAML file is available in, I'll show you in the document. You need to go to this path. Right now Prometheus YAML file is available in Prometheus.yaml file is available in this path. Go to this path, cd/etc/Prometheus. Okay, let me open that one. cd/etc/Prometheus. This is the path. The YAML file is available. Go there. ls. See, this is the Prometheus.yaml file. We have to configure it. Sudo vi. Okay, so I want to configure the node exporter here, so it will scrape all the metrics and send to Prometheus. I want to copy. Let me copy this line first. YY. Okay, copy, and I want to change this one to node export. Node export. Node exporter. Okay, next we will copy and paste these two lines. Y means it will copy it, again paste. Okay, done. Next one, I want to copy this line also, so go to that line and do YY, so it will copy and come here and paste it. Okay, so here in the Prometheus.yaml file we have to configure the node exporter IP and the port number. Okay, so what is the node exporter IP? We have to go here once, go to AWS once, so we should get node exporter. This is the node exporter. Okay, this is the node exporter, and let me click here. So I want node exporter port number. Go to here and copy the port number. Go to Obextron. We have to paste the IP here. For that we have to do the insert mode I and paste the IP here, :9010. What is the IP? What is the port number of 9100 is the port number of the node exporter. Okay, so job name we have given configured as node exporter. Then static config, the target machine we have to give here. This is the IP of the node exporter, and the port number of node exporter is 9100. Let me copy. Let me save this one. Escape :WQ. I am saving it. Save and quit. Okay, fine. Now you are saved. After that we need to restart the Prometheus because we have done the configuration changes. So what is the command to restart the Prometheus? Sudo systemctl restart Prometheus. Enter. I restarted it. Let me check the status of the Prometheus. Is it running or not? After doing the configuration. Yes, it's running, right? So we have done the configuration right now. So go to browser once. Did we open the port number in Node Exporter or not? Let me check first. Security group. Go to security groups and check whether the port number of Node Exporter is opened or not. No, still not open. Edit inbound rules. Add rule 9100. We have to open the port number. Then only we can access it. Otherwise we can't access it. Okay, save rules. Done, guys. Now we have to go to Prometheus. We have configured. Let me refresh this one once. I have configured Node Exporter in the Prometheus.yaml file. See here, the target came here. Earlier we have Prometheus, right? Now we have Prometheus is up and running. Node Exporter right now, we need to check the status of the Node Exporter. The Node Exporter state is out. Similarly, if you want to monitor, suppose 5 Linux machines, we have to install Node Exporter on all the 5 Linux machines. Then we can get the status of the that particular Node Exporter here, whether it is running or not. So if it is running means it will get the metrics of the all the 5 machines. If it is not running, Node Exporter is not running in that machine, we can't get the metrics into the dashboard. So that is the use of the Node Exporter. Okay, it will get the metrics. Metrics means CPU utilization and RAM, disk, network of that machine, all the things. It will get the metrics of the Linux machines. Okay. Right now I installed in the only one instance Linux machine. It will get the metrics of that particular machine. So right now we have done the configuration in the Prometheus.yaml. That particular target is coming into the Prometheus. Okay. Now we have to configure this Prometheus with the Grafana. Then only we can see the metrics of the Node Exporter machine. Okay. So go to Grafana once. Grafana dashboard. Here we have data sources. One option will be there. We have to add the Prometheus as a data. Right now Prometheus we will add it to this Grafana. So click on this data source first. Here it is the Prometheus. It is a C, open source time series database and everything. So Prometheus here will be act like a database because all the metrics will be Node Exporter will send to the Prometheus. Okay. This Prometheus we have to add it to the Grafana. For that only we have to select this one. Click on this one. Okay, it got added. Data source added. Okay. Next here see URL. You have to give the Prometheus URL. Go here, copy, and go to Grafana. Where is my Grafana? This one. This is the Grafana symbol, guys. And paste here the URL. I want till here only, till port number. Okay, remaining I removed. Okay, this is the Prometheus 9090 is the port number of Prometheus. Scroll down and save and test. Data source updated. Here you will get the message like this: data source updated with the green color tick mark. Next, what you will do? You click on this import option. Plus symbol is there now. You have to click on this plus symbol. Click on import. Here we have to give the port number. We have to search for the ID. One ID will be there for dashboard. A Node Exporter is there now. We have to see here grafana.com dashboard URL or ID we have to provide here. So 1860 is there now. 1860 is the dashboard ID for the node exporter. I am giving this 1860. Okay, and load. See, after giving that load, some details came down below. So next, what we have to do? We have to see here Prometheus. It is asking us to select the Prometheus. Just now we configured one data source. Now we have to click here and we have to add it. Data source. Okay. Next, import. Click on import. Click on Prometheus here. Our job should come here. Actually, node exporter should come here. If it is done, means it's not coming right now. Let me refresh it once again. Fail to upgrade legacy queries. Replace is not function. Okay. Let me import it once again, guys. Import 1860. Click on load. Okay. We already used it now, so you give something one more L something. It will change automatically. Here also click on change ID when you get this type of error means. Or else you can do something like this, put some 1 or something extra. Click on data source. Click on import. Still it's not coming. Let me create the data source once again, guys. I'm clicking Prometheus here. Nothing coming. Let me check the status of the node exporter and all, whether they are running or not. Prometheus is running. Let me check the node exporter status. It's running, guys. Grafana status. Let me check it. Grafana is already running because we already seen it's working. Status. Grafana is also running. So we need to once again test whether matrix is not coming or not. For that we have to take the port number of the. We need to check the IP of the node exporter. Let me go to the. Let me take the IP of the node exporter, guys. First, let me check it whether the matrix is coming or not. Copy this IP. Okay, go here. We need to troubleshoot like this only. For this IP with this node exporter port number, any matrix is coming or not? So matrix is coming. Okay, fine. So matrix is coming with this IP. This is all this is the matrix actually. This all the matrix should come into the Grafana dashboard. Okay. So let me refresh this Prometheus once again. So node exporter is running, right? State is also up. Okay. Let me go to Grafana once again. We will configure it correctly. Where is the data source? Add your first data source. Click here first again. Click on Prometheus, guys. Once again, we will add the data source and go to Prometheus URL, and right now our data source name is Prometheus-1. Try to remember that one. Okay. Again, I'm adding the data IP of the Prometheus. Come down. Save and test. Okay, fine. Right now data source is working. Let me go and click on this plus symbol. And what is the node exporter ID? 1860. We have load it and give something give one more L, so it won't show again error. Okay, and you click on change user ID once again, then you can give something extra, something W or something, and Prometheus source. This is the Prometheus. Add the Prometheus -1. Click on import. It should come, guys. Now it is fetching. Still it's not coming. Prometheus 1, select this one. This is our data source actually. Let me give last 5 minutes. Okay, click on refresh and give 5 seconds. Host is not coming here. Some configuration mistake is there. We need to check on Prometheus.yaml once again. Go to Prometheus. Okay, go to Prometheus and go to YAML file vi Prometheus.yaml. Go down. This is the job, right? Okay, job name we configure correctly only. Let me open with the sudo once again. Open with sudo. Okay, job is node exporter, node underscore exporter. Okay, fine. Next, static underscore config. This is also okay. Go to insert new ones. Static config. Okay. Targets. This is the IP of the node exporter. We given 9100, right? Once go to browser. This one, not this one. This one. This is node exporter. Which one? This one, right? Copy this one once again. 3.87.185.13. 3.87.185.13. 9100. That's correct. Okay, fine. And this escape colon WQ. Okay. Then next, what we need to restart once again. Sudo systemctl restart Prometheus. Once I done the restart, I need to check the status again, whether Prometheus is running or not. It's running. Let me go to Prometheus once again, refresh it. Okay, fine. Node export is up only. I can go to once again and refresh here. Still the data is not coming. Error updating options. Replace is not a function. Something configuration mistake. Let me go to the document once again. Again, let me add the data source again. Cell Prometheus and Prometheus. Copy this one. Then next is save and test. Next, import. Let me try this one. 14513. Load it. Next, add the data source Prometheus 2 and import. Yes, see here. Right now we are getting the data source. See, this is the matrix, guys, for the ID and default node exporter. See, this is the data source. We can select okay, Prometheus 1 or Prometheus 2. We have created the data source here. The job we configured in the Prometheus.yaml file now, that is node underscore exporter. So it will get the matrix here. See, this is the host name of the particular node exporter machine. This is the host name. We are mounting this machine only, so that particular host will come. If we install node exporter in this one more machine, that particular IP also come in the drop down. So we can check the matrix of any number of machines here. If you are mounting 10 machines, means all the 10 machines will be coming in this drop down. Right now we are mounting for the one machine now, so I am selecting this machine. It will show all the CPU utilization and this and all. This is load RAM and all. See here, it is showing. Let us go scroll down. See, let me give the, see, you can check the here, you can give the time also. Last 5 minutes, what is the matrix, it will tell you. See, the graphs are coming like this. You can check the frequency, it will refresh it for every 5 seconds. If I select this 5 minutes, if you want 10 seconds means it will give 10 seconds. I am putting 5 seconds. It will refresh for every 5 seconds and get the matrix on the dashboard. Okay, like this we can get it. Here see network traffic basics like it. Disk space and all. Memory also it's coming. See RAM, CPU. Okay. This is very important when in the organizations they will monitor these things. You can see there are many panels out there. If you click here, you can get some more panels also. 7 panels, CPU and memory stack. Like this, network traffic, disk space, how much disk space is used. All the things will come. It will get the matrix here. For the last 5 minutes only, it will come. Disk input output operations. Okay, like this you can get it. So many things are there here, many options are here. What are the things you want, you can check, click on this one. Like this you can check it. If you want network traffic means network traffic, it will show you. See, network traffic packets, network traffic errors, anything is there means it will display the errors. If the network is something fluctuation means it will show here some error, so that we can easily do the analysis and all. So what is the problem, they will easily identify some network issues there means. See here, network traffic drop, like this. All this panel is all about network only. Who have good idea or knowledge of network now, they can understand all these graphs and all. Okay, like this we can monitor the Linux machines using the node exporter. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks.